Hi, today we are making brownies. So, first thing first, take 100 grams of dark chocolate and chop the chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate because I don't know. Add half cup warm milk and melt the chocolate in the warmth of milk. You can microwave chocolate and milk, so it will speed up the process. My microwave is broke, so add 1/3 cup of sugar, half cup oil. Use any cooking oil, but do not use olive oil because it has a strong smell. Add 1.5 cup of APF, aka all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now mix all the ingredients. Wow, look at this rich batter. This is obviously richer than me. And moving on, take 6 by 6 square pan or any other bowl you want to throw. Place a parchment paper and apply some oil. I should apply the oil first and then place the parchment paper. So, anyways, add the brownie batter. Whoa, look at this, so smooth. Smoother than my life. Now bake the brownies for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our brownies are done. Let them cool down. Now for the chocolate ganache, add 100 grams of dark chocolate and 1/3 cup of warm milk. Again, melt the chocolate in the warmth of milk and make a silky smooth chocolate ganache. Add 100 grams of double cream and beat it until a soft peak forms or the texture is like fluffy marshmallow type. If you have an electric machine, use that. I don't have any because I'm broke, so I'm relying on my human machine. Now make a fluffy layer of cream on the top of brownies. Level it up, unlike your life. Put them into the fridge for half an hour until cream is set. The cream is set. Add all the chocolate ganache. I think cooking and baking are the best jobs world has to offer because you get paid to play with food, like very yummy, fancy, cheap, expensive, colorful food. Again, put the brownies into the fridge and until chocolate ganache is well set.
2,000 years later.
Okay, our brownies are well set. Now it's time to dig in. Wow, it's really good. It's like marriage of flavors. I mean, the threesome of chocolate ganache, fluffy cream, and fudgy brownies are complementing each other very well. So, thank you. Bye.